explorers, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Fulu and I share helpful tips for Nigerians who want to travel smart, whether by road or by air within Africa or beyond. Today's video is about something many Nigerians doesn't even know exists: the ECOWAS Travel Certificate, not the ECOWAS passport. I'm talking about the ECOWAS Travel Certificate. It's cheaper, easier to get, and perfect for traveling within West Africa. Let's get into the details. So what is ECOWAS Travel Certificate? The ECOWAS Travel Certificate is a special travel document issued by the Nigerian government, to help our citizens travel visa-free across West African countries. Unlike the ECOWAS passport, which is, a full biometric passport, the travel certificate is a simpler paper-based document meant only for land and road travel within ECOWAS. These include countries like Ghana, Togo, Benin Republic, Ivory Coast, Senegal, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Gambia, Burkina Faso, and 7 others. So if you want to travel by road, maybe from Lagos to Accra, and don't have a passport, the ECOWAS Travel Certificate is your cheapest legal option. So what does it look like? The color and the format. Now let's talk about the appearance of this ECOWAS Travel Certificate. It has ECOWAS emblem at the front. It includes your passport photograph, full name, the date, your date of birth, state of origin, and physical address. It carries an official stamp and signature from the Nigerian Immigration Service. It is not a booklet like a passport. It looks more like a folded certificate or ID paper. And while it may look simple, it is a fully recognized travel document at ECOWAS land borders. So who can apply for the ECOWAS Travel Certificate? You must be a Nigerian citizen. You must be 18 years or older. Minors can apply with parental consent. You need to have a verifiable identification and address. You must have a genuine reason to travel, example, for work, school, trade, or tourism. This certificate is ideal for traders going to sell goods in Ghana, or Togo students attending school in nearby West African countries, people visiting family, anyone without an international passport but who want to travel by road. Here's a checklist of what you need to apply: a completed ECOWAS Travel Certificate application form, 2 passport photographs, the recent and matching national ID card or your NIN slip, your birth certificate or sworn age declaration, local government certificate of origin, utility bill, or any document that shows your residential address. Then the payment receipt, which is issued at point of application. It is optional but useful. Then your PVC, permanent voters card, affidavit of support if someone else is sponsoring your travel. Then letter of purpose while you are traveling. Where can you apply in Nigeria? You can apply at most Nigerian Immigration Service, NIS state commands or passport offices. Some active location includes: for Lagos we have Alausa, Ikoyi, Festac. For Abuja we have Bagalada, Area 1. For Ogun State we have Abeokuta, Oyo, Ibadan, Kano, Enugu, Rivers, Kaduna, and other state capitals. Ask at the NIS office in your state whether they process ECOWAS Travel Certificate. Not all centers offer this service, so you might be directed to a larger immigration office nearby. So let's break it down. The first thing you need to do is go to your nearest Nigerian Immigration Service office. Then you request the ECOWAS Travel Certificate form. Fill out the form with accurate personal info. Then you submit all required documents. Make the official payment, usually at the bank or remitter. Do your biometric capture or photograph if required. Then you get your collection slip or receipt. Then you'll have to wait for like 3 to 7 working days. In some states, it is ready the same day. So once ready, you will be issued the travel certificate that you must carry along with your NIN or other, another valid ID whenever traveling. So how much does this certificate cost? The ECOWAS Travel Certificate is much cheaper than than a passport. The cost range for 2025 is 25,000 depending on the state and processing center. Sometimes an additional 500, 1,000 for form or file. No need to pay 70,000 like for a passport. That's why this certificate is popular among traders, students and those doing short trips. So to avoid touts, all official payments should come with a receipt. So how long does it last? Validity and renewal. Validity of the ECOWAS Travel Certificate is valid for 2 years. It can be renewed upon expiry. Once it expired, you need to reapply, similar to how driver's licenses work. Some border agents may allow you with just expired one, but don't risk it. To renew, go back to the same or nearby NIS office, present your expired certificate and current ID, pay the renewal fee and get a new one. So can you travel with it by air? Short answer is no. The ECOWAS Travel Certificate is only valid for land and road travel. You can't use it at airports or fly with it across countries. It works for cross-border bus travel, personal cars, motorcycles, regional trading trips by road. Air travel still requires the international ECOWAS passport. Tips before you travel with it: make copies of your certificate, keep your NIN or other ID handy, carry a yellow fever card if required, use safe recognized transport companies like ABC, Chisco or GIGM. God is good. Avoid expired documents. Some borders official can fine or delay you. Don't laminate the certificate. Some officers reject laminated documents. So there you have it, a full breakdown of how to get the ECOWAS Travel Certificate in Nigeria. It is cheap, fast and help you explore West Africa with ease. Whether you are a trader, student or just looking for a short getaway. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop your question in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on local and international travel. Till next time, safe journey and happy exploring across Africa. Thank you for watching. Bye.